Well, the race is quite exciting. And I'm surprised by the outcome of the viewers, the audience. There's a lot of bikers out here.
Thank you very much. So invited our team to Blacktown. So next time I'll join you again. Thank you very much.
どうもありがとう。
はい、ありがとう。
Second place for the 50cc stock. Number 55, Mr. Simbulan. Okay. 50cc stock category. Rider number 76, Mr. Wilson Di Guzman. Wala pong malakas na palakpakan dyan! And to award the trophy, let me call Mr. Yoyol Buncho of YRS Racing.
Okay, sasama-sama.
Picture.
1, 2.
Please, rider number 72, Jay Arellano. Rider number 72 for the third place, Jay Arellano. From Team Velocity, tama? Okay. Second place, 110 stock category, rider number 40, Mr. Kahasi. Kahasi, rider number 40. And for the first place, or the champion for 110cc super stock, rider number 30, Mr. C. Ventura.
Champion. Awarded by...
Champion.
Ronnie, sama-sama kayo. Ronnie.
Ay, makalis kayo.
Ay, isang grupo. Dito. 1, 2.
Third place, rider number 27, Aaron Imani. For 27, Aaron Imani. And for second place, we have here rider number 21, Nino Fabian. Mr. Nino Fabian. And the trophy is awarded by the VITA President, Mr. Felixberto Boy Exaltacion. And the champion for the 50cc modified, rider number 03, George Victorino. And I call Mr. Herano to award the trophy.
Picture.
110cc modified. For the third place, rider number 57, John Larry Enriquez. For the second place, we have here the rider number 60, Jerry Chan. Mr. Jerry Chan, second place. The champion, rider number 11, Michael Bachman Buncho. And call Mr. Jun of Yamaha to award the trophy.
Dapat pala gano'n, no? Dapat pala may apo.
Boy!
Isa pa.
Arnold Tejada. Mr. Arnold Tejada.
Joey.
Alright, second place for the 90cc modified, rider number 19, George Victorino.
Ikaw na naman?
Ano ba yan?
90cc modified. And the champion for the 90cc modified, I call on rider number 99, Jerry Quiñones. Jerry.
Picture. Look.
Modified. 70cc modified. Third place. Alright, third place. My idol. Rider number 88, Mr. Noel de Mesa.
Pare, dito pare.
And second place, rider number 25, Mr. Mark Chua.
Hello.
The champion for 70cc modified, rider number 06, Mark Anthony Marshall.
Okay, atas. Ready?
Sabihin mo na, ha?
They call on the rider number 58, John Larry Enriquez. John Larry Enriquez, third place, rider number 58 for the 125cc category. Second place, rider number 10. Sa pangaibil ko to eh. Rider number 10, Michael Moncio. Right, and now the champion, ladies and gentlemen, for the 125cc category, rider number 14, Mr. Jaime Marshall.
Isa lang. Okay. Dito. Okay.
Okay ba lahat ang difference?
Astro Royals, Filipina Shell, Edwin Bordador Photo and Video Coverage, Mayor Eddie Alarilla and Sangguniang Bayan, MacArthur Sport, Precious Mineral Water, Len Priolo, Manny Alarilla, Councilor Caloy Milan, and Mayora Joan Alarilla. Added sponsors, Escoderista Magazine and Inside Racing Magazine. Upcoming races, don't forget, ladies and gentlemen, May 1, May 15, and June 12.
Hey, dito ulit kami. Nagpapasalamat for the race. Natapos na rin po ang leg namin this April 10, 2005, Race Against Drugs here at Nicawayan Commercial Centers. So, siyempre, well attended. We have more than 100. In fact, I think 110, no, Ronnie?
110 riders.
110 riders participated coming from all walks of life. We have riders from Calamba, Laguna, Cavite, Bataan, Manila, Pampanga, and the local Bulacan. So, madami, well attended and very festive. So, nagpapasalamat kami una sa Lord dahil syempre pinagbigyan tayo na magkaroon ng isang magandang race, successful one. Tapos, syempre sa mga sponsors namin, unang-una kay Mr. Boy Albos. Norquis Yamaha, thank you very much. Marketing staff, kay Sir June, kay Ma'am Glenda, kay Ma'am Carla, at
Edwin Bordador, lalo na kumuha ng video.
Ang video namin para maging po
Inside Racing, ang
Inside Racing Magazine, kay Al Campa, thank you very much. Tapos, sino pa ba? Siyempre, Bitag. Mayor natin, Mayor Eddie Alarilla, saka si Ma'am Mayora Joana Alarilla, thank you very much. Tapos, sino pa ba? Sa MacArthur Sport, thank you sa tubig. Sa Precious Mineral Water, salamat. Scooterista Magazine, kay Sir Sunny Torres, saka kay Mike, maraming salamat sa inyo. Kay Mark pala, Mark, maraming salamat sa inyo. Tapos sa lahat ng sumuporta, kay Eva, thank you very much. Kay Edwin Bordador, sa kayong guys. Para sino mga guys natin?
Sila Melvin.